I know what can I help you?
Oh, I'm looking for a printer that can help me to print my assignment and documents. Can you give me some advice?
If you are just using it for printing black and white paper and you want it to be set in, I would recommend you to choose this model, which is the HP Inkjet Printer 310.
Oh, if sometimes I need to use it for printing photos, can this printer do it as well?
Yes, no problem.
Well, what's the price for this printer?
We have Raya promotion now. It's only 299 ringgit.
Great, I decided to buy this printer. Can you get a new stock for me?
Yes, sir. Please be patient.
It's okay, I will wait for you.
Okay, sir. This is the new stock. Do you want to check the functionality of this printer?
Oh no, please, I'm in a hurry.
Okay, sir. Please pay at the counter.
Alright, thank you. What's wrong with this printer? Why is the light blinking? When I press the printing button, nothing happened. I have to bring it back to the store and make a complaint to them.
How about that? Oh, hold on, crew! That was amazing!
Hi miss, I just bought this brand new printer from here a few weeks ago. And can you help me to find out what's wrong with this printer?
Yes, of course, sir. Please let me know what happened to your printer.
When I press the printing button, nothing happened and the lights keeps blinking.
Oh, have you installed the latest driver for this model?
Yes, I already tried it but it's still the same.
Okay, have you checked if there is ink inside the tank?
No, I didn't.
Okay, let me check for you. Sir, I found that there is actually running out of ink inside the tank.
Oh, pardon me. Maybe it's because I already printed a lot of assignments this few weeks.
It's okay, sir. Next time when you see the orange light is blinking, it means it's for you to review the ink.
Alright miss, thank you for your advice.
You are most welcome.